So how can you talk to someone at Craigslist? Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can talk to someone at Craigslist. So you simply want to make sure to watch this very video till the end. In order to talk to someone at Craigslist, what you have to do is, let's say you find a specific ad, you want to talk to that specific seller, but you're not being able to find their numbers or the comment section as well. Craigslist does not have a dedicated comment section where you can post comments in order to go and reply to those ads. However, it gives you the way to contact the seller directly, either via their email or their phone number. So if you look closely on the top left hand side, you will most likely see the reply button. At first it may not be visible, but now that you've seen this video, you will most likely be able to find that option. Just click on the reply option. If the seller has added email, you can see the email, and if the seller has added the phone number, you'll also be able to see both of these options. But before this, it may also ask you to verify the captcha "I'm not a robot." This is just done in order to keep bots away from the Craigslist website in order to make it more secure. Now choose whatever options you prefer. Now just keep in mind that sometimes you may only be able to see the email option and not phone number, because some sellers are very secretive and discreet about their phone numbers as well. But you have to go ahead and contact them directly if you have their webmails and so on. And that's all it takes to talk to someone at Craigslist. So we hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.